Alexa, can you show Grammy the new glasses?
Alexa, show Grammy your glasses.
Oh, so cute. You got glasses.
Can Mommy have one? Can you share with Mommy? She's like, absolutely not.
What are they?
Reese's Pieces.
Oh,
Can Mommy have one? That's orange. What about Mommy? Mommy wants one.
You and a mommy?
Can I have one? Thank you,
such
baby.
a nice girl, Alexis.
Thank you.
Can Grammy have one? Alexis, can Grammy have one?
Did you see the puppy? It's a book. It's a book.
Thank you, baby. Nom, 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 nom.
Thank you, Alexis. And this one's a book too. It's a turtle and it's a book. See, you open.
Good. Have you got pretty glasses? Yeah. Are you going to keep the sunshine out? Yeah, you're really getting into them, aren't you?
Yeah.
Are they good?